Now for next level, I make a new layer, Z for zoom, and by white brush, 100%. I just to the eyes and this eyes. I make a light and change blend mode to overlayer. Reduct to 15%. Make a mask and choose the black color. X for switch the color. Okay. Again, I clean by dark part. Z for zoom and curve layer. Control I for invert the mask and use brush. Okay, and now going to change the feather. The properties layer or double click on the mask. You can change the feather. If you don't have this panel, you can go to window and check in the properties. Okay, it's very good. Now I make a combine layer by Shift Ctrl Alt E, and by sharpen tools. If you don't have, you can click on this part and edit tools and drag and drop from here to here. I add all of the tools in my modifier, and I have the sharpen tools. Okay, hold sharpen tools. Okay, It's very good. This is a before and after.